Are your software tools crashing due to the Adal library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. This DLL file is the Azure Active Directory Authentication library. It provides the necessary routines for applications to securely authenticate users against Microsoft's cloud-based identity services and manage access tokens. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Adal library DLL is bundled directly with Microsoft Azure SDK and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling the official Microsoft Azure SDK application package is the safest way to restore this dependency. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Adal library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be aware that manual interventions for the Adal library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes the Adal library references. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Microsoft Azure SDK working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.